Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable 10,000 milliamp charger, 20 watt. It is a MagSafe power bank. Alright, so right here we got our portable power bank. It is a 10,000 milliamp 20 watt. It is used for the iPhones 14, 13, and 12 Pro Max series, as well as the minis. This is compatible with the MagSafe. You can snap on and charge magnetically. So you just take it to the back of your phone and it'll snap on your phone to charge it. It's got a strong magnetic connection. It holds 2 times wireless power for iPhones 14 and 13s. So the 10,000 milliamp for 40 hours of playback. It's a PD 20 watt fast wire charging, so not only can you charge it wirelessly, but you can also use the provided cable to charge it. So the original 5 watt charges in 30 minutes up to 17%, so this one right here will charge it up to 60% in just 30 minutes. See, right here is the MagSafe. Right here on the little paw, it basically tells you the status of the battery. Each one is 25%. So now this power bank works with all charging cases, MagSafe cases. It also works with non-MagSafe cases, but you have to use a provided cable. So this also works on Android, but you'd have to connect it via the cable. So right here is your user guide. This tells you everything, how to connect it, how to use it, about the battery displays and how it connects. This is a hassle-free charging with a strong attachment so it can connect to the back of your iPhone. You do also get a carrying case for it, so if you don't want to carry it, you could put it in here when you're on the go. If you're looking for a nice MagSafe power bank charger, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This is super lightweight, nice, it doesn't take up much room, and I think it's pretty cute with the little paw print at the front displaying the battery. I would highly recommend checking this one out.